My hair grows so fast, not the way I want it to. Every time I cut these things down, cut them up to here, they're down by here so fast. What even the fuck is this? This was probably like somewhere here. I love to have my hair down to my ass. I can't get it past like a certain point. I don't even know, maybe it's to here. I need to do some like massages and things like that, but you know how it is with commitment. We have a lot of potato dishes in Lithuania. They're really cheap to make. You can make it in bulk. And they're also filling. When they had the wars and all that, they had to learn. Interestingly enough, they're delicious. I forgot to take my supplement. LOL.